Ever open your phone to order food and get stuck between Zomato and Swiggy? We all have been there. But which one is truly better? Speaking of mind-blowing news, did you know India's edtech giant startup Byju's is sitting on a net worth of, well, 0 rupees. Crazy, right? And that's not all. Flipkart just launched a brand new fintech app. This is just a glimpse of what's been cooking in the world of Indian startups. Do you want an inside view of all these enticing developments? Let's get into Startup Spotlight with me. Here we will unravel the top startup news from the week. No clean chit to Byju's, clarifies the center. Despite rumors, Byju's has not been given a clean chit by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. There were reports surfacing that Byju's has been given a clean chit by the ministry. However, the center has clarified that these reports are baseless. The investigation into Byju's is still going on. Byju's, once used to be the apple of investors' eyes, is facing a really difficult time. There was a time when this edtech firm was valued at $22 billion, but today it has a net worth of rupees just 0. Big revelations from the government investigation into Byju's. Reports say that there was no fund siphoning or account manipulation by Byju's, but major corporate governance lapses have been flagged. Corporate governance is a growing concern among startups, and Byju's is no exception. The company is currently embroiled in multiple legal cases, both in India and abroad, including proceedings in the National Company Law Tribunal. Legal battle erupts between Apple and Bobble AI over governance issues. Another investor and startup rift is heated as Apple India Limited is demanding a thorough inspection of Bobble AI. Apple secured a Delhi High Court order for this inspection, alleging resistance from Bobble AI. Apple claims that the startup is defying court orders and violating the shareholders' agreement. Meanwhile, tensions escalated as Bobble failed to comply with court's orders, prompting Apple to pursue a contempt petition against Bobble AI. Apple alleges that suspicious activities and breaches by the Bobble's management has happened, including financial and regulatory issues. Zomato overtakes Swiggy to dominate India's food delivery market. Zomato steadily wins over Swiggy in the food delivery race. According to a report from Goldman Sachs, Zomato now holds a 57% market share in India's food ordering space, while Swiggy is trailing with 43%. This is up from Zomato's 55% market share last year, continuing a trend of annual growth since 2018. Swiggy started food delivery business in 2014 and Zomato joined in the game in 2015. By 2018, Swiggy led the 61% shares, but Zomato has steadily gained ground ever since. Financially, Zomato is also winning. It reported an EBITDA income of $5 million last year, whereas Swiggy reported a loss of $158 million. Big news for small businesses. Center is set to launch a trade marketing program. The Ministry of SMEs has proposed a new support program to help small and medium enterprises onboarding ONDC. They have proposed to soon launch a trade enablement and marketing scheme. This scheme will worth rupees 277 crore. It aims to support 5 lakh SMEs by 2026 and 2027, helping them compete digitally without any commission fees. Flipkart enters fintech space amid increasing competition. Flipkart has launched its new Super.Money app in beta mode on the Google Play Store. Currently offering UPI services, the app promises up to 5% cash back and rewards up to 10% on Flipkart, Myntra and Shopsy purchases. And it's not just about rewards. Flipkart claims 3 times faster UPI payments with the default camera scan-on mode. Super.Money aims to revolutionize digital payments and financial services in India. Reliance JioMart gets into 1-hour grocery delivery. Reliance Retail has launched a pilot for 1-hour grocery delivery in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. The new hyper-local delivery features on the JioMart app promises groceries and FMCG products delivered within an hour. But that's not all. Reliance Retail aims to reduce delivery times to just 30 to 45 minutes as they expand and add more stores. Unlike quick commerce platforms like Blinkit and Instamart, which deliver in 10 minutes, JioMart is taking a different approach, avoiding the need for more dark stores and delivery partners. That's all for this week's Startup Spotlight. If you have any questions about the Indian startup scene, feel free to let us know in the comments. We are always happy to dig deeper for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Stay tuned to TIES TV for your weekly dose of startup news. Until next time, stay enticed. For more enticing startup stories, don't forget to visit TIES.news. Have a great day.